Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and I want to show you this adorable Boba Cookbook. It's delicious, easy recipes for amazing bubble tea. It's a sneak preview. I haven't cooked anything out of it myself or made anything out of it. The author is Wendy Leung. Came out in 2020. Cute little end papers. Very colorful. The publisher is Sterling Epicure. We're going to look through the table of contents and then take a peek at some of the pictures and recipes. All right, introduction, hello Boba friends, our story, hello Taiwan, the grind, the last mile, the big picture. Then the first chapter is what is bubble tea? Second chapter, getting started. Then the recipes and conclusion, goodbye Boba friends. So let's skip ahead a little. What is bubble tea? Know your toppings. Tapioca, mini pearls, pudding, grass jelly, aloe vera, red bean, jelly, popping boba. Today's Good Mood is sponsored by Boba, how to brew your tea. So far, not a lot of pictures, but we're in the educational part. How to make all of your own, oh my gosh, how to make all of your own boba, rose water, tapioca, etc. How to make milk foam, cheese milk foam. Here's the recipes, here we go. The milk tea series, milk tea, bubble milk tea, milk foam tea, caramel milk tea, fruit tea series, passion fruit green tea, lychee green tea, grapefruit green tea. Now we're in the the matcha series, lots of matcha. Matcha latte, matcha mojito, add some rum. Special series, Yakult green tea, strawberry lemonade, and fruity pops. I hope you enjoyed this quick sneak preview of the Boba Cookbook, and I really hope it was helpful for you. Thank you.